I get asked this question often. How can I keep my manager or the company from seeing my web browser activity through my Google account if I'm logged into my business or school Google account on my own device? Those are key words there, on my own device. Before I answer this question, let me be absolutely clear. This is not legal advice. I am sharing with you practical, technical advice. If you are seeking legal advice regarding what your employer or company can do or cannot do in regards to their Google account on their device or your device, I encourage you to go seek legal advice. Again, this is practical, technical guidance here. Now let's go forward. Let me show you how to do this. I'm in my Google business account. If I go to manage my Google account right there, and by the way, you see I'm an admin administrator right there, but I'm going to go to manage my Google account. You'll see that right there on yours. In here, if I go down to data and privacy, under data and privacy, history settings, what I recommend you do on your Google account, myaccount.google.com, go to data and privacy, go to history settings. I recommend you turn this all off. Turn off your web and app activity. Turn off your YouTube activity. Turn off your location history. Let's see what else I have in here. Yeah, you can manage it by all these different services, and you can turn them off. What's under search? So saving web and app activity. I have this on, but I can just as easily turn it off. And if I go back, what I recommend, I'm going to go back one more, under data and privacy, history settings, turn it all off. If you have this all turned off, it is not being saved in the cloud for your Google account under myaccount.google.com. And therefore, no one can log into your Google account and see this activity. The only place they will see this activity is on your device, whether it's on your smartphone or your laptop or your desktop. They can go to Chrome and go to history, and they can see it on your device. If it is your personal device, they can't get access to that without a court order. If it is on a company-owned device, management, the company, your boss, etc., security at the organization could take back the company device, open up Chrome, and see your history. Now, I don't delete my history. What I would recommend that you do, though, is that you be very deliberate about what history is on your device if the device is owned by the company. If the device is owned by you, regardless of what Google account you're using, then the history that's saved on your device is irrelevant. They can't get to it again without a court order. However, I reiterate, go to myaccount.google.com, go to data and privacy, and make sure in your Google account you are not saving any activity that you don't want saved there. Typically, for the most part, I turn it all off. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy. I hope this is helpful for you.